Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Rahul from Simplified UPSC by Patati Patat Patanti. A big thank you to our family of more than 15,000 subscribers and growing. In this video, I will give you a complete demo of how you can use our free resources and how you can join our premium Telegram library for faster and ad-free learning. We have two dedicated YouTube channels to serve both Hindi and English medium students. This is our Hindi channel where we upload 2-3 videos daily from our ongoing series. These videos are in Hindi and they help you gradually complete your syllabus. And this is our English channel where we upload the same kind of structured series in English for our English medium students. On both channels, you will find subject-wise playlists, each covering NCERTs, standard books, and UPSC relevant topics. These uploads are free, but you will need to wait until the series is fully uploaded to complete your syllabus. To make things easier, we have also created a website where all UPSC playlists are organized in one place. Here you can see every playlist neatly arranged: polity, history, environment, sociology, and more. Each playlist links directly to the videos on the YouTube, so you don't have to search it around. It's a one-stop hub for structured learning. Now let's talk about notes. After each video is released on YouTube, we upload free notes here. These notes are comprehensive and they include practice PYQs for both prelims and mains. This free channel is open to everyone and it will always remain free. It's the best way to follow along with our daily uploads. These notes are very comprehensive in terms of their structure. It will contain introduction, key concepts, detailed notes, and then mind map so that you can retain the content for a longer. After this, you will see practice questions which are fully PYQ focused and then mains practice questions as well. After the English notes, you will also find the same English notes in Hindi as well. Let's say if you want to finish your syllabus faster without waiting for the daily uploads, then what to do? We have a paid library for that for just 4.99 for lifetime. This is a sneak peek to our paid library. In paid library, all videos are available in an organized manner, even if the series is still going on YouTube. That means no waiting, you can binge watch entire series right away. And it's completely ad-free. Alongside the videos, you will get premium notes with extra PYQ based practice questions and also model mains answers to help you write high quality answers. You can see what all series are available: history, geography, NCERTs, sociology, environment, Shankar IAS, economics, PT 365. Lot of videos are available which are fully UPSC focused. Videos as well as notes. All the things are available directly in this channel. We have two separate libraries. One is Hindi paid library, which contains all the series ongoing on our Hindi channel, and we have also a English paid library where all the series are available which are currently running on English channel or it will come on English channel. This way you can choose the library that matches your medium. Joining is simple. The free Telegram library, you can go to join our free Telegram channel and it will look something like this. And here there is a DM box, this message box. You can click on this message box. It will right away take you to the DM channel. You can directly DM us and write that hello, I am interested. Once you write through this manner, it will directly reach to me. Then I will send you the details about how you can pay 499 rupees, followed by I will share you the link after the successful payment. So this link, using that link, you can join this one of the libraries that you wish to join, Hindi or English. To summarize, use our free public Telegram channel for free notes after each video. If you want ad-free full access to complete series with premium notes, just join our paid library for 499 for lifetime, one-time payment, lifetime access. Thank you for supporting Simplified UPSC with your trust. We are building a transparent, structured learning community. Let's crack this UPSC together. I am Rahul and see you in the next video.